Today we're going to be going over jump throughs. All you need are 2 blocks, and recognizing that we are in quarantine and maybe everyone does not have access to the things they need, you can also improvise using books as long as the books are pretty big and also on a surface that doesn't slip. In our down dog position, feet on the floor, hands on the floor, and then find your blocks underneath your hands. You'll have potentially a little bit of a wider grip. I have wide hips, so I definitely will have a wider grip. And reset your down dog. The key to jump throughs is to look where you want your feet to land. The other key is to tuck your feet beneath you. I'll show you what I mean. Down dog position, looking where I want my feet to go. When I'm in the air, I'm tucking my feet, crisscross applesauce beneath me, and then shooting my legs out the other side. I am going to practice with my blocks on the 2nd to highest level. I would not go to the 3rd highest because they're just not stable there. But if you want to go to the 2nd level, that's totally fine. Down dog position. Look where I want my feet to go and put my feet through. Any places you can go from here, it's definitely a challenge. If you're finding yourself having too much trouble, please reach out to me and we can talk about some other tricks that might work for your body. Thanks so much for joining.